Finding the perfect snowboard is about so much more than a cool graphic. It's about matching your riding style with the right technology under your feet. A perfect board can transform a good day on the mountain into a thrilling, unforgettable experience. But with so many new shapes, profiles, and tech dropping every year, figuring out which one is right for you can feel like navigating a whiteout. So in this video, I'm bringing you the 8 best snowboards that will give you a thrilling ride. Whether you're looking for an all-mountain quiver killer, a powder-hungry beast, or the ultimate park performer, I've got a board on this list that will take your season to the next level. You'll find links to the best prices for all the snowboards mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these snowboards aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 8 is the Never Summer Proto FR. This is the best snowboard for progressing riders for men on our list. If you're outgrowing beginner boards and ready to handle more challenging snow, this one's a serious upgrade. The Proto FR is an all-mountain Freeride board. It's made to do everything from cruising groomers to charging down powder runs. It's directional, so the nose is slightly longer than the tail and your stance is set a bit farther back. That setup gives you better float in deep snow and more control at high speed. Plus, it has a triple camber profile. It's like having 3 camber zones built into one board. It has a camber under each foot and one between them, which gives you an incredibly locked-in, stable feel when carving. It's precise, powerful, and very responsive. The Power Grip side cut helps you hold an edge even on icy slopes, and the carbon layup adds tons of pop and energy and keeps the board lightweight. It also has dampening tech, and it rides smooth and doesn't chatter even when you're bombing a line. And it has a sintered base too that stays slick if you wax it regularly. Overall, if you're looking for a board that's powerful and ready to grow with you as your skills level up, the Proto FR is definitely worth checking out. Number 7 is the Yes Hell Yes. This is the easiest riding snowboard for women on our list. This snowboard is fun, predictable, and doesn't fight with you on every turn. It's made with a sintered base, which makes it fast and durable, especially if you keep it waxed. Plus, the premium wood core gives it great pop and energy without feeling too heavy. It has a directional camrock profile, which means you get camber under your feet for grip and control. It also has a little rocker in the nose for float and easy turns, and feels stable when you want it to, but still smooth and playful when the snow softens up. Plus, it has a mid-stiff flex around a 7 out of 10, so it's firm enough for confident carving or steep runs, but not so stiff that it feels like work. The underbite edges are also a clever touch. They bite into icy slopes just enough to keep you steady when things get slick. This board also comes with a setback stance and a directional shape. It gives you an extra float and powder without needing a different board for deep days. That's why so many riders call it a one-board quiver, cause it just does everything well. Overall, if you want a women's board that feels easy, stable, and ready for anything the mountain throws at you, the Yes Hell Yes is hard to beat. Number 6 is the Jones Stratos. This is the best freeride alternative for men on our list. This snowboard charges hard but feels fun and playful. The Stratos mixes a freeride style nose with a freestyle tail, which means it can carve, float, and pop all over the mountain without feeling stiff or demanding. It uses a directional rocker profile, so you'll have camber under your feet for control and power, and rocker in the nose for smoother turns and better float in powder. The tail also has a touch of rocker, which helps keep things loose and catch free when you're playing around. Flex-wise, it's on the medium stiff side. It's strong enough to stay solid at high speeds, but still easy enough to maneuver if you want to get creative. The traction tech edges are another nice touch. They give you extra grip on icy or uneven slopes. It makes a big difference when the snow gets unpredictable. Plus, it's built with eco-friendly materials like an FSC certified wood core, recycled steel edges, and bio-based epoxy. All this not only makes it durable, but also kinder to the planet. It comes in a wide range of sizes from 149 up to 164 wide, so there's something for almost every rider. Overall, if you're after an all-mountain board that handles freeride terrain but still lets you have fun doing it, the Jones Stratos nails that balance perfectly. Number 5 is the Arbor Candle Rain. This is the best board for cliffs and kickers on our list. This snowboard is built for riders who go big. It has a traditional camber profile and a strong and springy shape from tip to tail. That means you get pop, power, and drive when you launch off jumps or carve hard down steep terrain. The flex is stiff all the way through with just a touch of give near the tips, so it's not for lazy turns or slow cruising. That stiffness also gives it stability. You can charge through rough snow, land huge drops, or plow through chop without getting tossed around. Under the hood, it has an eco-friendly build, a real wood power-ply top sheet, recycled steel edges, and bio-resin that keeps it strong while reducing waste. And the sintered base adds speed and durability. Plus, this board doesn't care if the mountain's icy, bumpy, or covered in powder. It's going to dominate anyway. Overall, if you're the type who hits cliffs, kickers, or big lines with confidence, this one's for you. And if you want to know the latest prices for the snowboards discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Cardiff Goat Enduro. This is the most premium freeride snowboard on our list. This board is for riders who want to go fast down big mountains while staying in control on steep or rough terrain. The Goat Enduro has a directional shape with 11 millimeters of taper. It means the nose is wider than the tail. That design helps it float better in powder without feeling awkward or draggy on groomers. Even though it's directional, it still feels surprisingly balanced and centered under your feet. So you can ride it, switch, or hit jumps without it feeling weird. The camber is about 60% through the middle with just a bit of rocker in the tips. It gives you the best mix of grip pop and easy turn initiation. It tracks cleanly at high speeds and stays stable in choppy snow. The grip is also solid due to subtle side cut disruption that adds edge hold without feeling grabby. And the flex is stiff and responsive, which is perfect for riders who like precision and energy when carving or landing drops. And the sintered base is fast and durable if you keep it waxed. Overall, if you love big mountain lines, steep terrain, and pure control, this board was made for you. Number 3 is the Rome Men's Artifact True Twin Snowboard. This is the best freestyle snowboard for men on our list. This board is a true twin, which means it's fully symmetrical, same flex, side cut, and shape on both ends, so riding switch feels natural and tricks are easier to land. The Artifact has a stay positive camber, which gives it a predictable pop and energy while being forgiving enough for learning and progression. The double kick in the nose and tail helps you press and butter without catching edges. Inside, you'll have carbon hot rods for a lively ride. They add snap and make jumps that feel springy, and a flax impact plate underfoot to dampen vibrations which keep things smooth. Plus, the center strong base is durable, low maintenance, and versatile, so you can ride it in the park, on the mountain, or even a bit in powder without stressing about repairs. Flex-wise, it's 4x10, soft enough for presses and flat tricks, but responsive enough for small jumps and carving. Overall, if your goal is to focus on freestyle, learn new tricks, and have a board that's playful and forgiving, the Rome Artifact True Twin is a solid choice. Number 2 is the Burton Hometown Hero. This is the best overall snowboard for women on our list. This board has a directional shape with a longer nose and shorter tail and a 12mm taper. It helps it float in soft snow and stay stable when you push it through choppy conditions. The directional camber profile mixes positive camber underfoot with a bit of reverse camber toward the nose. This gives it a solid, energetic feel and keeps the ride smooth and predictable. You'll notice good pop-off jumps and a lively response without the board feeling twitchy. Burton also packs this board with carbon in the layup, so it's light but snappy, and the channel system lets you set your stance exactly how you like it. The base is durable and fast, so a little wax here and there keeps it gliding like new. Flex-wise, it's a mid-stiff board, stable enough for aggressive lines, yet approachable for those who want to explore the whole mountain. It responds quickly edge to edge and makes turns feel precise and controlled, even at higher speeds. Overall, if you want a board that handles powder, groomers, and even some jumps, the Burton Hometown Hero is a versatile pick. Number 1 is the Nitro Prime Men's All-Mountain Snowboard. This is the best overall snowboard for men on our list. This board is perfect for all-mountain riding. It has a directional twin shape, which means the nose is slightly longer than the tail. This gives you versatility whether you're cruising down groomers, hitting some park features, or exploring the whole mountain. Plus, it comes with a 2x4 binding pattern, so you can customize your stance with most bindings. Inside, the power core uses tip-to-tail poplar wood, which keeps the board light and gives it a perfect mix of flex, pop, and response. The bi-light laminates add a little extra power for a snappy and lively ride without making it stiff or unforgiving. For wax, Nitro uses Green Speed Natural Wax, which is eco-friendly and ready to go from the factory, and you don't need any extra tuning. Flex-wise, it leans towards soft to medium, which makes it approachable for beginners but still fun for progressing riders. Edge-to-edge control is also easy. It makes turns feel smooth and responsive, while Torsional Flex helps it handle uneven terrain and tighter spots like tree runs. Haley puts it as great first snowboard for starting to intermediate. Great product and seller and fast shipping. The seller Got Your Gear is very reliable and has excellent customer service overall. If you want a board that's playful, versatile, and easy to ride, the Nitro Prime is a top pick for men. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect snowboard. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each snowboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.